Hello guys, welcome to the video of Health Spot. A good night's sleep is the best medicine for fatigue during the day. You will feel emotionally balanced, mentally sharp, productive, and full of energy with improved sleep. How fresh you feel in the morning depends on how well you slept at night. However, there are several simple tips you can follow to get a good night's sleep. You can adopt these habits to get better sleep. According to researchers, a variety of habits and practices, which are called sleep hygiene, will help you to increase the number of hours you sleep. So, let's start. 1. Have a fixed sleep-wake schedule. Setting a fixed time to go to bed and waking up helps the body to set its internal clock. It will also help the body to optimize sleep quality. Follow this time schedule even on weekends and on your day off. Go to bed only when you are tired, and if you are not asleep within 15 minutes, then get up and do something that relaxes you. If your body is getting a sufficient amount of sleep, you will get up naturally, and not to the sound of your alarm clock. In case you need an alarm clock to wake you up, then consider going to bed a little earlier than your bedtime. 2. Have a bedtime ritual. Creating a bedtime ritual will tell your body that it's time to go to bed. Do the same thing daily every night. The bedtime ritual might include reading a book, a warm shower, or listening to music. These activities will relax you and help you to slip into a peaceful slumber with ease. It is advisable not to use electrical devices or TV for relaxation. 3. Exercise daily. Working out is not just beneficial for your health, but also for your sleep. Start with 10 minutes of walking every day, and then gradually move to vigorous exercises. It may take some time to experience the full sleep benefit of regular exercising. Low-impact exercises like stretching, meditation, and yoga can help your sleep better. 4. Watch what you are eating and drinking. The food you eat during the day plays an important role in how you sleep at night. You should not go to bed empty stomach or fully stuffed. It will cause discomfort, and you will end up tossing and turning in your bed for a long time. Limit the intake of drinks before bed so that you do not have to wake up in the middle of the night for toilet trips. Also, drink alcohol and coffee with caution. The stimulating effect of caffeine will ruin your sleep. Nicotine also deserves caution. With alcohol, you will sleepy at first, but will wake up late in the morning. 5. Limit nap during daytime. If you are sleeping during the day, you might end up staying awake at night. Daytime naps are good for you if it is limited to around 10 to 30 minutes. Sleeping during the day is necessary for those who work night shifts. 6. Make your room comfortable for sleep in. Your room should be comfortable for sleeping. So select a comfortable mattress and pillows. You can use dark curtains to make the room dark, and earplugs for a peaceful sleep. If you are allergic to something, make sure the room is free of that allergen. Calm your brain before you hit the bed. You can try yoga or meditation to relax. Learn to manage your time and stress effectively to stay calm and have a positive outlook. These factors will contribute towards a good night's sleep. In case you are still unable to sleep properly at night, do not hesitate to book an appointment with your doctor. You can also contact a sleep professional. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Watching for more videos, subscribe to our channel.